Good morning, everyone. John Chow here from johnchow.com. Welcome to the .com Lifestyle Vlog. It is Friday, February 2nd, 8:37 a.m. Let's check the MOBE stats. So last night I was at $5,000 and I finished the day at $5,223.80. So a pretty good day yesterday. And so far today, I'm at $100.45. Today is packing day. Today's my last day here at the Titanium Mastermind and also at the Sunset Del Mar. I am gonna pack up and start my day-long journey back to Orange County. It's always interesting because this is gonna be a good one because right now I'm at $100.45. Last time when I was down here, it was on the same way. I started off with only a few $100s, but by the time I landed in Orange County, it went to over $7,000. So let's see if history repeats itself. Come on, let's start packing and head on out. These U-bags are awesome. I mean, look at them. Just pack right in there. There's that, this, and yeah, so you think that is, and then yeah, that's it. I guess that's it. Goodbye, film studio. The old seminar room. The new one is definitely bigger.
How are you today?
Good, good.
With the American doll is, remember the American doll?
Look at all that extra space.
Clothes and accessories. So he actually works for a company that makes clothes for the American doll, believe it or not.
I want to ask you a question. Why, among all the other opportunities around there, what did you choose MOBE?
Oh, okay. Very good question. Question I get asked a lot. I run a very, very big blog, and it's read by hundreds of thousands of people. And because of that, companies like MOBE and other companies similar to it will try to get me to join with them so they can reach my audience. And so I get bombarded every single day with offers and opportunities. And the majority of the time, most of them I don't promote. They can be found in 3 different categories. The first one is I don't like it. I just don't like it. I don't think my readers will like it, so I just say, I'm not forget it. And that's like 90% of the offers I get. I go, no. The second type of items is I think the product is good. I don't personally use it, but I think my readers will get value from it. So I will blog about it, I will write about them and let my readers know and they can decide if they want it or not. But I don't personally use it. Okay. The third category are products that I personally promote and personally use. MOBE is one of them. Aweber is another one. I personally use Aweber. I personally promote it. My web hosting, HostGator, I use it. I also promote it. So MOBE is in that category. Now, as for why do I promote MOBE? 3 main reasons. The first one, it's a money maker. Let's just face it. You know, if I'm going to promote something, I want to make money from it. Right? So, and since starting with MOBE about 5 years ago, I have made over $4 million from it.
Wow.
Yeah. So, yeah, you can't complain with that. So it's good money in it. That's the first reason. Yeah. Now, the second reason is I like a typical affiliate program. MOBE lets you own the customer, allows you to make money from the customer for life. Like a typical affiliate program, say Amazon. See, when I send a customer to Amazon and they buy something with my affiliate link, I get the commission for what they buy. But Amazon gets the customer.
Oh, okay.
And then what's going to happen is 24 hours later, Amazon is going to start emailing that customer, offering them additional products. Right? And if the customer buys those additional products, Amazon keeps all the money. I don't get anything, even though I sent them the customer. Right? Now with MOBE, I get the customer. So whether the customer buys today, tomorrow, the next day, or next year, I still get the commission. right? So it's like building a real business. The real business survive on repeat customer. They don't survive on, one-time customer and then never buy from you again. You go under within months. And this is why the typical affiliate marketers don't make any money, because they're not getting the customer. They're only getting that very small upfront money, but they're not getting the really big back-end money, which is where the money is.
Exactly.
Right? And the third reason is the high ticket commission. See, for the longest time, I was selling products that only pay up to less than $100. Less than $100. And I was doing okay doing that. I was making $40,000 a month selling products less than $100. But MOBE has product costing up to $100,000, and I make a commission on those products, right? So since adding the high-end product like masterminds, like mentorship programs, my income has gone from $40,000 to over $100,000 a month. Yeah. So, and now the problem, I never sold high-ticket product before was because I knew that in order to sell it, it requires a more personalized approach. I can't do it with just a sales page, a video sales page, or a regular sales page. I have to call up the customer or meet them live face-to-face at an event. And I don't want to do that. I don't like talking to people. I want to live the .com lifestyle. Right? So, but what MOBE has is MOBE already has the phone team, and they already have the event team in place to sell the customer on my behalf. So all I have to do is just send them the lead, and they take care of the lead. And if they're successful at selling the high-ticket product, I get my commission. And the commission ranges up to $1,250 all the way up to $25,000 on their products. Right? And it's those high-ticket products that has basically more than increased my income from $40,000 to last month $184,000. Right? So yeah, high-ticket product, and it's the one thing most affiliate marketers are missing. So a lot of affiliates, they make the mistake of not getting the customer. They make the mistake of only selling one item and hoping it makes them money, when they realize that that customer will buy multiple things down the path.
Yes.
Right? So in other words, basically, MOBE is more like a real business than going to gambling, like, oh, right, put it on red. Because when you're doing typical affiliate marketing, that's what you're doing. You're going,
Yes.
I'm going to spend $100 on this ad, and I'm going to try to make 200. That's more of a gambling mentality, and unfortunately, most people on the internet think that way. But MOBE is a real business, and if you treat it like a real business, you will get some really, really great results. And like I said, I've been in this business for over 10 years, and I've seen virtually everything. And of all the opportunities I've seen, MOBE is by far the best business I came across, and that's why I promote it.
Awesome.
1 p.m.
1 p.m. All right, I get to have lunch. I have hour for lunch. Right, today is a salad with nice. That's artichoke. I love artichoke. So today is taco day. Excellent. Okay, I'm gonna make some tacos. I'm gonna make myself some taco. Hey, oh look, that's I thought that was mud, but it was not. What awesome timing. I got 30 minutes to have lunch before the driver picks me up. My ride is here, everyone. Have a great time here. It's been a pleasure working with you guys. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. See, always great pleasure. Yeah, leaving now.
Okay, John.
See you in Vegas for some of you guys. Thank you. All right. Well, that didn't take long, maybe 10 minutes at the most, but yeah, through security, gonna head on to the lounge now. Ah, crap, I got delayed. I guess that means I'll be hanging at the lounge a little longer.
Do you have any guests today? Any guests today?
No, just me. flight was delayed by 30 minutes from taking off, but we're all caught up now, boarding now.
You're so welcome.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Finally made it home. Yeah, I'm gonna be here a while. Took an hour, but finally got through. Now, just have to go get the car and drive home. My car is parked at space E29. Holy crap, they gave me a Suburban? They did give me a Suburban. Cool. All right. This thing is huge. My God, this thing is huge. Okay. Wow. Big sucker. Suspension is quite bouncy. This thing is just huge. If a bus hits me, the bus is gonna get hurt. It is now 1:10 a.m. in the morning. I finally made it home. That was a bloody hell long trip. Let's update the stats. So when I left this morning on my way, I forgot what I was at, but anyway, I ended the day at $452.90 for February 2nd. And now we are 1 hour into February 3rd, and I am at $1,587.91. So hey, not too bad for the first hour of Saturday. Okay, that's it for this episode of the .com lifestyle vlog. It's 1 a.m. in the morning. I'm not gonna bother to edit this video right now. I'll edit this thing tomorrow morning when I wake up and put it up. Right now I'm gonna go to sleep. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this little look at my .com live. So it's kind of cool. I mean, started this morning in Costa Rica, flew all the way back home, and I came back to almost $2,000. So cool. All right, everyone. That's it. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoy my vlog. I welcome your feedback. Leave it down below. And if you want to find out how I'm able to make money while I'm traveling the world, living a .com lifestyle, below this video is a link to my ebook. Go download a copy if you haven't already done so. All right. I'll see you guys tomorrow.